If you want to make emojis follow your face, open your CapCut mobile app, then upload the video with the face you want to cover. Go to the beginning of the video, tap on text, go to stickers, and here you can find any sticker or emoji, or just go to the emojis right here and choose whatever emoji you want to use. I'm gonna go for this one. Then place the emoji on your face in the beginning of the video, resize it if necessary, adjust the length of this sticker so it will cover the whole video. Select the sticker, scroll horizontally all the way to the right side until you see tracking. This option is only for pro users, and to be honest, it's not very good, it's not very accurate. Sometimes it's working very good, but very often it's not covering all the time, as you can see here in the end. That's why I think the keyframe free option is better. So we go to the beginning of the video and then we tap on this keyframe sign right here. Now we just move the video step by step to the right and always change the position and resize the emoji if necessary. The next keyframes will be set and saved automatically. Go frame by frame and change the position and any time when the person or face is moving. Once you reach the end, go to the beginning, play the video and you can see it's working. Thanks for watching.